Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share about 15 easy growing, low maintenance indoor plants that can be gifted for different occasions like birthdays, festivals like New Year, etc. I try to pick up plants that require less attention and which are easily available. I planted them in different decorative potters which make them look even more pretty. The first plant is money plant. I planted 4 varieties of money plants, and the first variety is golden pothos. The scientific name is Epipremnum aureum. It can be easily propagated through stem cuttings, both in water and soil. The next plant is white calathea. The scientific name of this plant is Calathea lutea. It is propagated through baby plants which rise from the rhizome of the mother plant. The next plant is ZZ plant. The scientific name of this plant is Zamioculcas zamiifolia. It is propagated through leaf and stem cuttings. It is a succulent. The next plant is aloe vera. The scientific name of this plant is Aloe vera barbadensis. It is propagated through separating baby plants or pups which come from the side of the mother plant. I have prepared these 4 green gifts in these beautiful pink polka potters to give my friends. The next plant is silver pothos. The scientific name is Scindapsus pictus. This is the second variety of money plant. The next plant is the third variety in money plants. It is neon pothos which is grown in a cup. I also kept a few cuttings of golden pothos in it. I used an old coffee cup and kept it inside a beautiful potter. The next plant is the last variety in money plants. It's jade potho. I also kept a few cuttings of turtle vine in it. The next plant is one of my favorite plants. It is red ivy. The scientific name of this plant is Strobilanthes alternata. The next plant is Syngonium. It is also known as arrowhead plant. The scientific name is Syngonium podophyllum. The next plant is the first variety of snake plant. It is mother-in-law's tongue. The next plant and the second variety in snake plant is Sansevieria trifasciata. It is also known as cylindrical Sansevieria. The scientific name of this plant is Sansevieria cylindrica. The next plant is the third and the last variety in snake plants. It is bird's nest Sansevieria. The scientific name of this plant is Sansevieria trifasciata hahani. The next plant is Philodendron. The scientific name of this plant is Philodendron burlmax. I have been keeping this cutting in water in a water jar. The next plant is also one of my favorites and it is a beautiful plant. It is Mosses in the cradle. The scientific name of this plant is Tradescantia spathacea. All these plants require low watering, semi-shade conditions and well-drained, moist soils. All these plants are air purifiers and remove pollutants from atmosphere. I hope you too give these green gifts to your close ones and contribute to the environment. Hit like and click subscribe button. Make sure to ring the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.